Good morning, everyone. I want to come on and share what I'm doing for breakfast this morning. I want to show you the ingredients, and I'm going to get started and put it all together for you. This breakfast I'm about to make is 370 calories. It's 39 grams of protein and only 6 net carbs. This breakfast will carry me literally all day. Probably have a snack about midday, probably a cup of yogurt to go with this, and then I'll have an evening meal. And I'll round out my day with about 700 calories total for the day, somewhere around that. But this is going to give me almost half of my protein for the whole day. So I'm going to show you the ingredients and we'll get started. All right, I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to use one of the larger 8-inch La Tortilla Factory 0 net carb tortillas, 2 tablespoons of low-fat cottage cheese. I've got the 2%. I'm going to use 1 egg. I'm going to use 4 ounces of egg makers and 2 of the Morningstar Farms veggie sausage links. So I'm going to put this together and show you what this all looks like. All right, I've added 1 egg, 4 ounces of the egg makers egg substitute, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, and 2 of the Morningstar veggie grillers. I did preheat them a little bit. I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to it. I'm going to actually scramble these in a skillet this morning. I'm just going to put them in a little bit of butter and scramble them. Then I'm going to put them together in my wrap and literally make a breakfast burrito, so to speak. So I'm going to put this together. I'm going to cook it real quick and come back and show you what it looks like completely finished. All right, my eggs are scrambled. Everything came together. This is a lot of food, so this might be part of my breakfast this morning, and the other half might be an afternoon snack before my meal tonight. Either way, it's going to be very filling. So for a bariatric patient, it might be too much for one meal, and if so, cut it in half. You can put it in the refrigerator. It'll be good, another day, or you can eat it later in the day. I'm going to get this thing wrapped and show you the finished product. So there is one breakfast wrap ready to go. Like I said, a full meal for sure, and maybe even 2 meals. Hope you guys try it. I'll tell you, don't sleep on those Morningstar Farms veggie sausage. They are fantastic, and I am not a vegetarian person at all. I can't speak on any of their other products. I do like their crumbles, but these vegetable sausage, they're really good. I would encourage you to give them a try if you're looking for something high protein, low calorie. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.